So how do we do conversions from mm to centimeters, from centimeters to meters, and then from feet inches to centimeters, millimeters, and whatsoever. So today I will tell you about these conversions and how do we do the measurements. First is the metrics measurements. Metrics measurements is mostly done in your meters, centimeters and millimeters, which is on one side of your inch tape or your measuring tape. So first one is your kilometer. Then we have hectometer, we have decameter, we have meter, decimeter, centimeter, and then millimeter. So as when we keep on going from kilometers to millimeters, we keep on multiplying it with 10. So 1 kilometer will get converted into 10 hectometer, 100 decameter, 1000 meter, 10,000 decimeter, 1 lakh centimeter, and 10 lakh millimeter. So for suppose we want to calculate that how many millimeters will have how many meters. For example, if I have 750 mm, 750 mm should be like converted into millimeter. 750 mm to be converted into meter or centimeter. So how many centimeters and meters that will be. So this is how we do the conversions. If we go in multiples of 10 from kilometer to millimeter, we will go with dividends of 10 from millimeter to kilometer. Like 1 millimeter when divided by 10 will have 0.1 centimeter, 0.01 decimeter, 0.001 meter, and so on. So 1 meter, like I gave an example, let's say we need an example of 750 mm needs to be converted into meter. So I will divide 750 mm by 1, 2, 3, 4. So like 3 zeros and 1. So when I divide 750 by 1000, it will be like 75 centimeter, 7.5 decimeter, and 0.75 meter, and so on. 0.075 decameter, 0.0075 hectometer, 0.00075 kilometer. So this is how we do the conversions from kilometer to millimeter and from millimeter to kilometer. Multiples of 10 when coming from a higher range to lower range, and dividends of 10 when going from a lower range to higher range. This is the entire metric system. Now let's do a conversion of our imperial system, which is our feet inches. So when we talk about feet inches, 1 feet, this is how we denote a feet, is equal to 12 inches. This is how we denote inches. 1 feet is also equal to 300 mm. Now how does this come? I'll tell you. 1 inch is equal to 25 mm. This is a thumb rule. So when we multiply 25 into 12, it will come as 300 mm. So in this form, we can say that 1 feet is equal to 12 inches is equal to 300 mm. This is the major thumb rule that we need to understand and we need to take when we do proper conversions from feet inches to mm. So like taking an example, if I want to convert 5 feet into how many mm are there. So 5 feet is equal to 5 into 12, which is 60 inches, is equal to 5 into 300, 1500 mm. So this is how we do the conversions from feet inches to your mm, from imperial to your metric system. Like I was talking about conversions, our metric scales and our imperial scales. Now I'll show you in a measuring tape. So this is a typical measuring tape. Here you have measurements in 2 lines. The line on the top side is the measurement in your inches and your feet. So like I said, your 12 inches become your 1 feet. So here you can see 10, 11, 12. On the 12th one, it's marked 1 feet. 1F means 1 feet. And when we do conversion in centimeters, the below line is in centimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 10 centimeter into multiples of 10, like into 10 becomes your mm. That means 10 centimeter is 100 mm, 20 centimeter is 200 mm, and 30 centimeter is 300 mm. So 300 mm makes 12 inches, which is also equal to 1 feet. This is how we do the scaling and measurements or dimensioning of our different imperials and metric scales. Follow us for more such tips.